Brilliant from day one.
They're marvellous, they really are, first class.
It's really superb.
Incredibly pleased.
They were very professional.
Very high standard.
Communication with A&S was brilliant from day one. Having dealt with them years ago, I had no hesitation in picking up the phone to their offices, and within half an hour they were back to us, and project was penciled in, dates penciled in the diary, everything delivered on time, did what they said on the tin, as the saying goes, and from start to finish the project just worked a dream, and they fitted around the school's requirements.
Right from the word go, working along with A&S Landscapes, they were marvellous really, most responsive.
It's worked really well. I'd be quite happy to work with A&S again on future projects, get an early involvement so we can go through design and ensure that we end up giving exactly what the client wants.
Because we're like the biggest school in the area, people will contact us asking who to use for various different things, and I wouldn't hesitate to recommend A&S Landscapes. They're marvellous, they really are, first class.
But the way in which A&S have started the build is really superb. The quality of the groundwork, the way in which the columns have been erected. And now
We are overall incredibly pleased with what we've got.
Through the design stage, A&S Landscape consultants were great in working out solutions for any problems we came across, and throughout the planning application, A&S Landscapes were of huge assistance. Communication with A&S Landscape could not have been better. We were kept abreast of every step of the project and had regular updates on this project.
They were very professional, very friendly. They covered all the carpets up for us which were requested with plastic, and they kept me in the loop at all times.
And it was all done within a matter of about 3 months. We got the go-ahead from the PTA just after Christmas, and the canopy was installed less than 3 months later in March, and it was installed to a very high standard.
The price was very good as well, which is another important thing when schools are budgeting.